I want you to put your hands together for my Ghanaian connection, my personal sister, Adwoa in the building. Put your hands together for Adwoa, ladies and gentlemen.
That was a beautiful introduction. Thank you. Hello, hello, beautiful people. How are you? Doing good? As Abe said, my name is Adwoa, and we're really about to rock out today. This is Spice Kitchen presents Let 'Em Cook. Can y'all say Let 'Em Cook? All right, let's do it. Now, this first song is actually a single that I just released really recently. It's called Concrete. And you can find me everywhere, ADWOA. That is my name on all platforms. So just vibe out with me.
As I do up to the concrete, so many feeling and emotion that trouble me. I cry and go where my family goes. My mind goes just for a head on G. All my life in it all slow, making it way through the thunder. My bit of a flow, but I still hunger. Another day, another dollar. Never when they counts me out, leave me down. Tear my name when I come around. Only make it better when I hear my sound. Only make it better when you have to hear. Say, oh my Lord, give me joy. Take control of my soul. What I don't get today, my papa said, oh hey man, yeah, but he said, another day, take my pain away. There's no other way. There's no other way. We gon' be okay. We go be okay. Take it day by day.
I want y'all to try to get that last part with me. And I didn't rehearse this, but I want to run that hook again. So when I say,
Take it day by day, take it day by day, take it day by day. Oh, say, take it, oh, day by day, take it day by day.
thank y'all so much. Are y'all enjoying yourselves? First of all, give it up to the artists before me, man. They were fire. Absolutely amazing. Woo! Now, give it up for the band real quick, man. Yes. Now, this next song, I want y'all to vibe out a little bit with me. This song is called Jam It. And got a little kick to it, so we about to jam out. Let's have some fun.
Say I'm dancing for no particular reason. Just know I'm feeling that feeling, babe, and your body's intriguing. Say I'm diving for no particular reason. Please don't come with confusion, babe. You won't like this solution. I just wanna have fun in the nighttime. I just wanna live life with the right one. That's just how it's gonna be till my time comes. Say I do what they gonna need some preparation. Nothing in, I'm taking permission. Remember when they told me that I never make this? Remember how you came to me like you faking? But it don't really got to be a situation. We in the beat, they want us what I'm taking. Want us what I'm making. Let you make me make it. Wish I
first performance of 2025. I was performing. Oh my God, Bernice! I'm so sorry. I haven't seen you since high school. Hello. So this is my first performance of 2025, and I took a break. I was performing for like 4 years. So thank you all for accepting me and having me tonight. Now that I said that, I need your help with this song. This song is La Vida Loca. It's one of my favorite songs to perform. And I need your assistance with the chorus. I'm gonna teach you the chorus a little bit, okay? All right, y'all hear me? Say yeah, 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 yeah. All right, so it goes like this. Hold, yeah, hit it again. So I need y'all to listen for me, okay?